Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I make a pressure cooker taco chili nachos. Alright guys, I'm starting out here. This is a new pressure cooker. This is my 8-quart Quicks Essential Holly bought me because today's our 25th wedding anniversary. And what I'm giving her in return is all the good food I'm going to cook in this. This here was like $58 on QVC. I could have got a 6-quart, which I prefer more, but that was like $6 cheaper. So if you're interested in this, they still have them for $53 for the 6-quart. And like $58 for the 8-quart. Anyways, I have this preheated on saute and it's all heated up. I'm going to start by putting in about 2 pounds of ground beef. And I'm just going to saute this for a little while, brown it, so it's all browned up. Okay guys, I know my ground beef is about halfway browned. I have 1 green bell pepper and 1 medium onion I diced up. I'm going to throw that in with ground beef and let it saute in there. Then when my ground beef is done browning and my vegetables are sauteed and tender, I'm going to drain off the excess grease. Now this here is like 80-20 ground beef, but there'll still be some fat that cooks out of it. Alright guys, now that my ground beef and my onions and peppers are done sauteing and browning, I have 2 packs of taco seasoning mix I'm going to add in this. And in the directions to the taco seasoning, it calls for 1 pack per pound of ground beef. Now this is a little recipe I just thought up the other day and I'm throwing it together to see how it is. But I like tacos and I like chili, so I figure the 2 combined you can't go wrong. I'm going to add in the other pack of taco seasoning mix. And guys, so far I'm liking this pressure cooker. I'm not getting a kickback from QVC at all, or I'm not dating David Venable and none of that, so I stand nothing to gain by talking up this pressure cooker. It's just for the price, $58. You can't beat an 8-quart, and it's loaded with features. Okay, now that I have my taco seasoning in there, and it's going to be a quick, easy weeknight meal, I have a 15.5 ounce can of chili beans. I'm going to dump them in undrained. You could also use kidney beans in this if you like, but I'm not crazy about kidney beans. Now I have a 24 ounce jar of thick and chunky salsa. This is the medium. I'm going to dump half that in and see how we look. You know what, I think I'm just going to go for the whole jar. Now I have to add a little bit of water to this for this to come up to pressure, because if I don't, it's not really going to come up to pressure. I'm going to give this a good stir. And I'm going to add about 1/4 of a jar of water in there, which that's equal to about 1/2 cup of water. Put my lid on here and shake this up good. And Dexter was just yelling up a storm there while the camera's off. Now he's camera shy all of a sudden. I don't understand. I'm going to give this a quick stir to blend everything together. Okay, now I'm going to put my lid on here. I'm going to make sure we're set on pressure. Alright, I'm going to turn on the pressure and I'm going to set the time. It's on high pressure. I'm going to set my time for 2 minutes, because like I said, this is really going to be quick. And then I'll do a quick release of the pressure when my time is up. Alright guys, my time's up. I did that quick release of the pressure. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. Alright guys, I went ahead and served this over some tortilla chips, and I garnished it with some cheddar cheese and some green onion. Let me get in here and give this a try. That's really good guys. Spicy. It has the flavor of tacos, and a little bit of a taste of chili. You see, it wasn't that hard. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker taco chili nachos. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.